Hello viewer, welcome to Tech Revealer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Android phone pattern. If you've forgotten your Android phone pattern, without losing your data and without any factory reset. So if you take a look at this phone, it's currently locked with a pattern. And the phone has no fingerprint. So it has no fingerprint and it's locked with a pattern. So how do we unlock this phone without losing our data? Now, if you want to unlock, if you want to remove the pattern lock, we can simply do that by factory resetting the phone, but we're going to lose our data if we do that. So how do we do this without unlocking our phone? So guys, before I start, I want to point out that this video, the content of this video is strictly for educational purpose. And let it sound as a disclaimer. So this video is not intended for any form of criminality. It's for people who forgot their PIN or pattern unlock. And this video serves that purpose. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do first is to restart your phone. You can either restart or you can power off and then power on. So even if your phone is off, you can still restart or power off or power on. So let's get these two right there. How do I restart this particular phone? So I'm gonna restart it now. So if you don't know how to restart, you can power off and power on. Whichever phone you can do that while it's locked. So go ahead, restart or power on, or power off, and power off. When you are at this stage, it tells you that password requires when phone restarts. Now don't worry, you are going to go to the emergency call center. So go to the emergency call center and go to the emergency dial pad. So here you are going to dial this code with me. An emergency dial pad. You're going to dial this code with me. Star 3 0 sorry 0 0. It's actually 4 zeros, but I want to take it slowly. 0 0 star 2 8 0 2 9 6 4 9 5 and 8. Confirm that you dialed the correct code, the exact code, adjust that so that it will work for you. So when you're done, press the hash or pound sign and you send. So it's gonna tell you call failed, the number dialed, not an emergency number. Press OK. So when you press OK, go out of the emergency call center. Move out of the emergency call center to the pattern. So you're gonna enter this particular pattern. So you draw from here to here, to here, and to here. Incorrect pattern. Please try again later. Now another thing is, if your phone gives you a wait time, that's a 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, kindly wait for that particular time the phone gives you. Like in my own case, it doesn't give me a wait time. So you're gonna go back to the emergency call center. Go to the dial pad. And you're gonna dial this with me. Star 7 4 8 5 2 1. Star again. 0 0 0 0 2 8 9 2 1 hash. Why I'm taking it slowly is for you to follow carefully. So once you confirm it,
press the hash sign, call failed. The number dialed is what an emergency number. Press OK and calculate this off, and be sure you wait minimum 30 seconds from now. Please, the wait time should be minimum 30 seconds from now. Cause if you wait lower than that, it's likely not gonna work for you. So while you're waiting, guys, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you get notified when new video comes up. So if you're sure you waited minimum 30 seconds, go ahead and go to the pattern section. Go to the unlock section. Make sure you're in this area and you draw this pattern with me. Draw from here to here and to here. Incorrect pattern, please try again later. And like I said earlier, if your phone gives you a wait time like 2 minutes, 1 minute, kindly wait for that particular wait time your phone gives you. And also, you are going to wait minimum 15 seconds in order for you to try the next step. Now, so while I was talking, up to 15 seconds. So let's go ahead and try the next step inside the emergency call section. Go to the emergency call section, go to the dial pad, and dial this code with me, star 3864 92 star 00 64 65 82 1 10 hash. Confirm the number you just dialed and be sure you dial the correct number. When you're done, you press the send key. So it's going to tell you that the number dialed is not an emergency number. So press OK, wait for at least 20 seconds before we proceed to the last step, which is to finally unlock our phone. This last step is to finally unlock our phone. The last step is to finally unlock our phone. So once you know you've waited at least 20 seconds, please kindly put in this pattern. Draw from here to here, to here, and to here. So as you can see, our phone is unlocked and our apps are intact. We've been able to unlock a phone locked with password without losing any of our data. So guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll surely see you in the next video.